Artificial intelligence has revolutionized many fields, and art is no exception. Among the new technologies that have appeared and become available to users is a technique called the AI art generator Midjourney, where anyone can transform simple words and subject in English into the resulting breathtaking, creative art at an imaginary speed that did not exist before. Hi, I'm Sharmila, your go for all things fun and educational. In the 21st century, media literacy emerges not merely as a skill but as a critical survival tool. In this lesson, students are tasked to write a short story on the concept of motion, crafting characters and vibrant settings. They should depict motion vividly in a pivotal scene and then bring it to life with Midjourney's AI art. This is then followed by a presentation on Canva for an impactful narrative display. A Discord account is needed to use the Midjourney bot. You may download the app or use the Discord in a web browser. Enter a username. Once you fill out your email and password, you can get to use the Midjourney bot. Once set up with Discord, head out to discord.gg/Midjourney, confirm the invite to join the Midjourney Discord server. All you need to do now is go into one of these newbie channels. And now type /imagine followed by a few keywords. In my case, it is design a cloud train. Let's see what happens. As you can see, Midjourney requires a subscription and it is not free. The main benefit of the premium account is being able to chat with the bot privately. Creating characters can be one of the most challenging aspects of writing. After writing character sketches, students can input physical traits and personality characteristics into the AI to create a visual representation. For example, my main character is a red-haired girl aged 14 years old. If you aren't satisfied with the first set of images Midjourney created for you, click the Regenerate button to try another concept based on the original prompt. The below buttons refer to the 4 grid squares 1, 2, 3, and 4. The top row is always upscaled to reproduce a version of that exact result. Once you have upscaled an image, it has now been produced at a higher resolution. Whereas the bottom row is to make 4 new variations of the image number 2 in a similar style but with slight differences. For example, here are 4 new variations of our character, all of which look similar, but the AI has decided to just random things. Variation Strong button under an upscaled image will produce a new set of images that may change the composition, number of elements, and colors within the image. In our character, the shirt button comes undone following the strong variation mode. Low variation mode produces variations that retain the main composition of the original image but introduce subtle changes to its details. This mode helps make slight adjustments to an image. The zoom out option allows you to extend the canvas of an upscale image beyond its original boundaries. Okay, now we have created the consistent characters. The next step is to create character variations. So for this, I'm going to use 2 free tools. One to isolate these characters and the other one to cut out the background. So first, right click the image and then save the image in your desktop or wherever you want. Once you have downloaded the image, head over to this site called I Love Image, and this is a site I'm going to use to isolate the characters. Select the image, mine is character. So here you can see a white box which is adjustable. I can move it around. So I'm going to use this white box to isolate the characters. You can isolate any characters that you want from your main image, so that this will appear in one photo. So on this, I'm going to crop and download the cropped image. So now you can see the image is cropped out. And we are going to use the same process for the other images. Once you have isolated the characters, the next step is to remove the background of those characters. For this, I'm going to use a site called backgroundcut.co. This is a free site and it is just an easy drag and drop process to remove the background of those images completely. So let's select the image. Now you can see the background of this image is completely removed. And the next step is to download it. Once it is downloaded, go to the home page and do the same process for all the other 3 images. The main purpose of isolating the characters and removing the background of those characters is to upload those images onto the Midjourney. The Midjourney will now use these characters as a reference to generate a variety of character variations. Believe me, it's a super cool process and I can't wait to show you how it turns out. Hit the plus button to upload those images. Click and drag to upload all those images. Once uploaded, now type /imagine. Right click the first image, copy the image address and paste it within the prompt. Next click the second image, copy the image address again. Make sure to leave a space after the first image address to paste the second one. Otherwise this will not work. This is a section where you want your character to be doing different poses, either running, walking, sleeping, or even crying. Different poses can convey a character's personality and emotions, adding depth to our visual storytelling process. After you're done with all 4 images, the next step is to find the original prompt used to generate the character design. Copy the original prompt, hit the space after the large image address and paste it within the prompt. Now type in the pose or the expression within the original prompt. I want my character to be in a state of deep thought. Midjourney will use the uploaded images as a reference to craft the specific expressions I'm aiming for my character. As you can see, it has generated a set of characters that look exactly the same as the set of images I uploaded. In a story about scientific concepts, creating scenes is crucial. Students can use the AI to visualize the scenes they want to create, whether it be a beach, city, or even a forest. Our character is going to be at the beach in our story. I have crafted several beach settings for my tale, and I'm going to use the advanced prompt blend to create a unique landscape. Drag and drop the images. You can upload up to 5 images. Blend works by looking at the concepts and aesthetics of each image and merges them into a unique new landscape. Another way to create character variations is to utilize the remix mode. So type /prefer remix. Once the remix mode is on, clicking the variation buttons will give you a chance to edit your prompt. We want our character now to be in a state of running. So let's type dynamic running pose with a full sprint. You can always turn this mode off by running /prefer remix again. There you see, she's running. She's running with a full sprint. Isn't this wonderful for our story? Finally, head over to Canva to upload your character variations and scenes to complete your narrative. Just drag and drop the images onto the platform. Now drag the character to the scene until it fits into the scene. The scene can turn out very nice, creating a dynamic visual showcase focused on the theme of motion. This assignment helps to deepen students' understanding of motion as a literary and artistic theme and introduce them to the innovative intersection of AI and art. As students develop their stories, they must consider how to translate the abstract concepts of motion into concrete images using the power of Midjourney that capture the reader's imagination. Moreover, students can also create their own server with Discord and invite the Midjourney bot. Give your server a name. Now head back to the main Midjourney server to find the bot. This time, left click the bot and choose the app You want to edit to the server. Mine is character 1 variation. You can think of servers like folders where all of your character variations and scenes will fall into. This can help students keep the projects organized. An AI art generator can serve as a catalyst for creativity, allowing students to experiment with different styles, colors, and composition of scenes and character variations at the click of a button. This boosts students' digital literacy and can open up new avenues for interdisciplinary learning. However, students should be encouraged to use AI as a supplementary tool rather than a replacement for hands on artistic creation.